What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a poster design like this one into a simple, fast and effective method on Canva with this nice 3D effect. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Now go to the design, find the design to the size that you need on Canva, okay? I'm using the Canva on desktop, you can use on mobile in the case that you want. Go to your picture. Go to Photos into the left sidebar of menus, find the picture that you want, in my case it's going to be this one, the Japan temple, and apply this on the page. Now go to the elements into the left sidebar of menus, search for post and search on graphics. I like this one right here, okay? Looks fancy and looks great. Now we're going to click into the image, okay? And click on duplicate. Align the image to the center, just like this, and click on the image and remove the background. Here is the result. Now it's time to click on the image again, the button image, and click into this little arrow right here, this little symbol, and crop it like this. And here's the result I got, okay? Fancy, right? What else can I do? I'm gonna apply a title, okay? This title right here. So, go to text, into the left sidebar of menus, title, and drop your title right here. Type, for example, Japan. Go to the text. Change the color to the same color of the post, just like this. Increase the size and go to fonts, okay? Type 210 and scroll down to the very bottom and you're gonna be able to find this font right here. Fancy, right? Let me just capitalize the text, adjust it, just like this. And here is the final result we got. Fancy, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!